everyone, my name is Chase DeHan, and welcome to my course, Monte Carlo Method in R. I'm currently the manager of data science at Tesorio and hold a PhD in economics from the University of Utah. In this course, we are going to cover multiple implementations of the Monte Carlo Method in R. The Monte Carlo Method is an incredibly valuable approach to estimating uncertainty and numerical outputs that might be difficult or impossible using other methods. Some of the major topics that we will cover include fundamentals of Monte Carlo and the essential R functions, the basic Monte Carlo approaches with rolling dice or estimating pi. Then we're going to get into some fun topics with estimating asset prices and value at risk in financial applications for stock and commodity prices. And then we'll close it out by using Monte Carlo on A/B testing for cases where you might not have enough data to perform with traditional statistical methods. By the end of this course, you'll be able to implement Monte Carlo methods in a variety of approaches. Before beginning this course, you should be quite familiar with the R language and have the ability to use and write functions. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn Monte Carlo and implementing Monte Carlo method in R course at Pluralsight.